All right, we're just going to go over how to eliminate the key retaining feature on this ABUS padlock that's keyed to a Schlage key. Right now, the way the lock functions is put the key in. When it's unlocked, you can't turn the key back and remove it. That's a key retaining feature. So the way that we eliminate that feature, open the lock with the key, take a Phillips screwdriver, remove the core, and there's a little Z-bar in the bottom of the actuator well. Don't know if that'll focus, but I'll knock it out of there and you can see that. This is the little Z-bar that's in there, and that's what retains the key. Without that, we put the lock back together, secure the cylinder back in, the core back in the lock, remove the key, insert the key, unlock it, and we can remove the key and lock it without the key. We want to reinstate that feature, then we simply remove the core. Make sure that this little black dot is showing, that side goes up, and this goes in that little notch in the middle of the actuator. Like that. And then we slide the core back in. We may need to turn the key in order to seat that properly. You heard that click. Our screw is still in the shackle hole. Secure that. Now we can remove the key. Insert the key, unlock it, but it won't turn back to the home position and be able to be removed unless it's locked again, and then it snaps back in that position, and you're done.